Good evening, everyone. My name is Mithlesh Singh, and here I'm going to look for the finance department of SELCO India and propose solutions that they can cater for the next coming years. Defining the first initial problem statement, we propose the solution regarding the financing of the organization with three broad objectives, namely source for the inflows, source for the outflows, and departmental budgets with their timelines. With the approach that we have followed, we have taken in the reverse chronological order that has been presented in the screen. That is, first we have defined the departmental budgets and their timeline. In this, we have given marketing department a budget of 2 crores and the HR department the relative budget that they could cater for the next coming years. And the timeline that we have decided is 5 years, where we can cater the targeted audience. Second is the source of outflow. This will be a regular outflow that can be said as how we will disburse the loans to the projected clients. And the way we have proposed is like by using real world approaches, whereas with the examples of banks and the Reliance Industries in the same fashion. And third and the final important source of income is the source of inflows of the cash flow. So for this, we have taken a Pakadi approach, that is problem, alternatives, criteria, analyze, decision making, and implementation strategy. And with this Pakadi approach, we have taken a common problem statement that how can we get an inflows and what should be the instrument that should be floated to get that inflow. And with this, we have concluded what are various types of instruments that can be used to generate the inflows. In the final conclusion that we can say is that the business is not like one fit solution for every different project, as the different projects have different risk appetite, the customer profiles, as well as the inflow generation capacity. Hence, what we suggest is to have the fund flow raised in three major buckets, that is high risk, medium risk, and low risk, and then divert the fund with the different projects under them, so that the fund can be raised under only three brackets and that can be managed easily. And the diversion would not be a bigger challenge, as the company has their own rating agency for the risk. Third, and the final take would be that the company should align with the government project fundings that would have synergies with our project. This would reduce the cost as well as benefit our all stakeholders. This is all from the finance department. Thank you for listening, folks.